In this video I will show you how to see recently deleted apps on Android. First, open Play Market by tapping on the app icon. In the app that opens, tap on your profile icon on the top right. In the menu that appears, select Manage Apps and Device. Next, tap on the Manage tab at the top. A list of installed apps will appear on the screen. Then tap on the Install button. A selection box will appear at the bottom of the screen. Select Not Installed. Recently deleted apps will appear on the screen. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. You can sort this list by name or recently updated by tapping the sort icon and selecting. You can remove an app from the list or install it on your device. To do this, tap on the square icon to the right of the app and tap on the uninstall or install icon that will appear on the top right. I will install the Telegram app. After installing this app, it appeared on my home screen. Thank you for watching.